Alright, got one of these little Chinese ATVs. And this one, when you put it in gear, it won't get out of its own way. Actually. Alright, I know they're up, and I can feel exhaust coming out of seal or something over here off the head. So we may have a busted head gasket, and we'll check that. Alright, so we got the motor out of that little blue four-wheeler. Went ahead and pulled the top end off. Of course, there's 410s here and then 9mm here if you've never done it before. I got a video on how to do that, but this one we ended up finding out, if you look really close, the head gasket has blowed. I think it was actually blowing into where the timing chain was. So we'll take that off, and everything else actually looks pretty decent on this motor. Valves don't look like they're in real bad shape, so just a little bit of carbon buildup, but most of that's just surface. We should be able to just put the gasket back on that. Now, it does have some banging there on the head from something. Got some 4-stroke gaskets here, not that one. Just another one there. That's one we'll probably use right there. It looks really good. It's got the O-ring down there. That one's wore out. So we'll go with this one. It should match up just fine. Alright, you're going to get this all cleaned up. Make sure you don't lose your rubber O-ring there for your oiler, as well as this one down here. The timing chain will give you an oil spot right there, and be careful, that'll leak. A lot of times I'll run that over my chain right there from my head bolt.
Nobody's freaking on my butt. Stop.
Go ahead and run a couple of these down.
No. Not doing that.
And
Why can't I get out?
tighten them up.
Hey, what did you do here, baby? Take it. I appreciate it.
Alright, we had to pull that out too, just check it and for the head of the gasket. Looks like we got another one, so we'll clean that off and put that on. Oh, that was actually loose.
Yeah, I'm alright. Okay. I'll see y'all later.
Okay, we're at
Bye.
top dead center now, minus my scratch that I put in it. And we'll have to make sure that our cam is at top dead center.
come back and check in a few minutes.
Come back and check on my progress. I think I got this one in crooked. Alright, it's really cold outside today. I got this motor halfway in. Maybe easier to hang the top one first. About to need a chain. Time for the impact to really get charged. Guess I better check it. Alright, so that should go the battery. And this will be a ground. Hopefully this bolt's long enough to work with that deal. Looks to be the one. I should reach the battery just fine. Where the battery goes. Exhaust's almost in there. Alright, gonna get this exhaust mounted up. Alright, let's put this battery in here to see if this thing's dead or what. Let's see. This only got one negative, two positives, so that'll be alright. Get this positive on there first. Let's try to fly away on me. Alright, it's cold. Hopefully I got a little bit of gas out here. Damn, left my impact out here. There's a little bit in there. See my breath? It's cold. Here, let's dump the gas on top of these 2 wires right here. Alright. Alright. We're going to test ride this little gem today. Jesus, he's missing a nut off of here. I'll have to find one of them. Alright, let's see. Get it a little warmed up. It's pretty cold outside. Let's see what she'll do. See if she'll get out of her way now. Nope. She's moving now. And for China, it's about what you get. There she is. A little air in that car. She's good to go.